Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an another interesting project of API with the help of Python. So if you didn't check API part 1, then you should check on the channel and in the playlist. Okay. So first of all, we have to import request, then we are importing random we are importing to get the random news. Okay, so we made a function with the help of with the name of news, and now we are getting URL. So the main thing is how to get this URL. So first of all, you need to go to search news API, then you can click any of the website. I'm clicking this, and then you have to get the API. See, you will get a API. You can copy it, Control plus C. Then you have to paste it in your code. Okay, in the URL, the same link is that. And then how to read the data of this URL. This is an important thing as well. So to do this, I am copying pasting this URL on the Google and see how what we get. We will get this type of data. So that is a JSON data. Okay. So to understand this, we need what? We need to copy all this. Okay. Then we need a J formatter, JSON formatter, I mean. Then this. Okay. So see how you can tackle the data. So in the tree form, we are looking. Okay. See. Here, results, next page, status, and the total results. In the results, you will get these sections 0, 1, 2, 3, and under that section, you will get the news of every language. There's so many languages are present. Okay, see. So now go to our code. You can see on the screen I have pasted the URL, and I made a session section of parameters which is language restriction. If I don't write this, then I will get random, I mean random languages, any of the languages. But I want language must be Hindi, or language can be in English. If I want, then I can comma as well. Okay, and now we are making code in try, because this code may be risky, this may code error. Okay, now we are we are taking request dot get JSON formatter of URL, and parameters equal parameters, and saving all this in response. I'm expecting that you guys know the basics. If you don't know, then you should check part 1, because in this video I'm not going to discuss the basics. Okay, I teach you each and meaning of each and every single word of code, of API code. Okay, now if response dot status code equal 200, then return response dot JSON. In this, it is going to return dictionary, Python dictionary, because this will convert JSON into Python dictionary. Then it will return. So what will be happen? So when our code runs, ultimately this will run, because this condition will always true. If you don't know this, then you can check my previous videos as well. Then main function will call, this will call, and when it enter into this, then news function will be called. When it will call, then it goes here. If the success it get, then it will return data in the form of Python dictionary. Now it will result, it will get into the results. If the results are true, then this statement will be executed. These statement will be executed. Now we are checking. See, we have to tackle the data. So we have to know there is something like need to close it. Okay. See, so in the object we have this type of data, something like result. In the result we have these sections. Uh, this okay. So how to tackle them? So first of all, we need to make a result variable, which contains the data of the result from the that data from the object. Okay, and storing it into final. Now from the final we are taking random choice, which means what? We are taking from the results the random choice news. So it will provide a random news. Okay, that is also a function, which is why we imported random. When it will get random, then it will store in data. And now we are tackling with the data. Just we want only title, description, and the source. So that's how we have written the title, the description, and the source ID. Then that is for formatting. And let's have a look on as well. Let's say this and see the title, the description, and the source ID may be present or not. See, or you can write source name, video URL. There are so many things. AI summary, but only available in paid plans. Okay, there's so many things. Not only these variables, you can add so many as well as you want. So we are going ahead with this only. So let's have a look on the terminal. See, we got a breaking news. Ferries around 5% fuel surcharge in response to Middle East conflict. Okay, so this